So here's the refrigerant line that I'm going to be splicing together. Right in here. There it is right there, you can see it. I'll do this side here first. So that goes on. I'm just going to pour some of this PAG 150 on this, just to lubricate it up. In one of these, I'll go on there. I want some lubrication on that as well. And then also the green part here. That to go back. Feel that centering in the middle. And so now I'm going to just tighten this down. $25mm here. I can do that now, but I won't be able to do that later. And this one's a 22mm. They fit very well. Very nice. And I don't have the torque wrench that fits this, so I'm just gonna have to guess at it. 15 to 17 foot-pounds, not much. Guess I can always tighten it a little later if I sense that it's leaking. Now on this side, put that in first, and the brass forcing cone there. And the green seal. I'm going to put a little oil on all that. And everything well lubricated. And that goes in, I can feel it center into the middle. And I'm going to use the 22 at first. I'm just going to do it by hand here. I left the lines long so they sort of are forced together. Now I'm going to hold, very important that you hold this, the body, while you tighten. Forcing cone there. And I think that may have it. I'll pull a vacuum on it and then check it for a leak after a while.